Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit. We are at Project 13, which is an automatic door. Okay, so this is identical to Project 11, but we have replaced the push switch with the IR sensor. Okay, so remove the push switch wires A28 and negative, and then connect the IR sensor module red wire to the positive rail and the black wire to the negative rail. So like this. Okay, and the blue wire to A28. Okay, so that is the Project 13. You also get a cutout like this that comes with the kit. So this middle portion, I cut it off and then stuck the border around the cardboard, but you can use your creativity. And the treasure picture that is there here, I cut it and stuck it behind on a piece of paper. Okay, so it looks like this. It looks like a treasure chest with a door. And what I have done with the door is you get an arm like this along with the kit. I stuck this door on this using sellotape. Because now if you insert this between the treasure and this gap, it looks as if the door is shut. So when the servo goes up, the door moves up and the treasure is accessible. So that is the idea. But you can use your creativity to connect anything to the servo to move or open the door. So this is one of the ways that we can do this. So now on this resting position, servo is horizontal. So I am inserting the bar like this. Okay. And let me tilt this to make it visible to the camera. So it looks something like this. Now let me switch it on. Okay, so the door opens and shuts initially. Now here we have the IR sensor. Okay, so if you move your finger in front of the sensor, the door opens for about 8 seconds, then shuts it. Okay, so again. Okay, perfect. So that is Project 13 automatic door. Let's switch it off.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.